Hello YouTube, this is Dynamic FA. ABB robot training applicable programming number 15, Palletizer. We've been doing program for the Palletizer. In the last video, we have finished the first layer, palletizing. But I want to keep going up to 3 layers, third layers, and we stop the palletizing. That's the programming we need to do today. So before we start, I want to show you the palletizing in the last video up to. Going back to home position, stop at the waiting and waiting for pickup. Start. Okay, I turn the conveyor on. The product stop. Go back to go to the palletizing. Okay. I speed up the robot 3000 to pickup position and 3000 to place position, and up down 300 millimeter per second. And also I have added yellow line for the interlock because the smart component, in the smart component, it can send 2 cartons at the same time. Then it will be the problem because the second carton didn't stop at the position and then it just keeps going. Yeah, this is the second last pick up. This is last carton coming, pick up, and finish the first layer, but this one still pick up, put it into the same carton, put it onto the same carton, because we haven't done the programming for second layer. So now we are going to start the programming for the second and third layer. Okay, I'm gonna stop and reset, remove all the cartons on the top of the pallet, and before we do, we need to change it to manual. Okay, products I'm sorry, program editor. Oops, this is not the sorry, I will change the language by mistake. So I'll go back to English. Okay, now in English. So I want to go to program editor, and this is the program. This is the speed I changed, 3300, 300. So in the program, pick up, we don't need to change anything. Only place. As you can see, we changed the NX and Y. We already changed it. We changed it like this. But NZ, we have used NZ here. But this value we haven't touched. So what I want to do between this one and these two lines, I want to add NZ calculation. Okay, so you go up, then you can highlight all the test case. Okay, you have to click. If you click cancel, click here, then you can get into there. But if you here click, then test all case, then you can highlight everything. So here now you add. I can use this one and NZ post, and this one NZ post related to box height and box height, and multiply and current layer number. So that means current layer number is 0 once you started. Then second, it goes finish the first layer and goes to 1. Then it will be NZ post, it will be 200. Second layer number 2, then 400, something like that. So this is how we can calculate the NZ position. So this is NZ, and then this is the only calculation, but we need to think about the condition when actually we can increase the number. So here we can add if, and then we need to compare the num data, okay, and current layer number, and plus, then we can compare and current layer number is sorry, this is my mistake, sorry, not and current number, and current drop number equal 12. Okay, and it compares the and current drop number 12. That means robot finished the layer, and then that means we can increase the drop layer number here. So we use mathematics, add and current layer number plus 1, and we can increase the current layer number, but we need more things to do, because this number, current drop number, is still 12. It have to be reinitialized to 0. So we can use this one and this one, and current drop number need to be 0. Okay, below, and we need one more, if because once we finish the third layer, then I want to stop the robot, just want to finish. Okay, here that's the num data, so we need to call num data here, num, okay, and current layer number equal to 3. Okay, then that means this is 3. Then we have finished the palletizing. That means we can just wanna exit like this. Then all the condition is set here. Once and current drop number 12, then it will be added current layer number, add 1, and current drop number is 0. We have to reinitialize for the next layer, palletizing, and if current layer number is 3, that means the third layer have finished. That means just exit, stop programming, stop executing program. Okay, this is the how actually working for current layer. But there's more important thing here. If you use the variable, you have to always think about the initialize it. Here we go back to here. This one are initialized in the routine. Here you can see anchor drop number 0. Initialize is very important. So this is good. Let's try this program. Again, I have changed, edit this line to calculate NZ post, and this one we have added this comparing drop number and increasing layer number, reset current drop number, and compare and current layer number to finish it. Okay, let's try. Let's test it. Yeah, robot goes back to home position. Okay, let's start the conveyor. It'll take a while to finish because we need 36 boxes dropping. I have speeded up, but still many cartons to palletize. So I'm thinking to make a video for how to use smart component. All these kind of conveyor function, and also the gripper, they all made of smart component function. And also there's add-ins, so you can use lots of library. You can search it, you can use it. Maybe I will also make a video for how to use it. And I have made a video already in Korean language, how to install Robot Studio 6.08. Anyway, I will keep making many videos for AP Robot and also Robot Studio. Please subscribe and thumbs up so I can make a more video. Now it's started second layer. You can see second layer palletizing. It's working good. When it turns, when it swings, always this carton hit the other carton and drop. Don't worry about this too much. We're gonna fix it later. But today I just want to finish the palletizing of third layer. I can do many things in the same video, but it's getting too long, so I don't want to make too long. So please expect coming videos. So probably next video will be the homing. So this this one homing is just very simple homing, but I'm making some fancy homing. I want to make it exactly same as real palletizing homing. So sometimes you can't just go back to home position straight away. So because it held it hold the cartons, or like there's a obstacle to home position, so you can't go back to home position. So palletizing relatively easy to go back to home position. Normally in the palletizing you just go straight up, avoiding obstacles, and then go back to home position. That's it. Very simple. But the checking the home position also, like in you reinitialize the how can I say, reinitialize the position, and then you need to make a decision whether you need to go to the home position, or once the robot holds carton, then you need to put the carton here, put it here, and then go back to home position. So there's so many ways you can do programming actually, so I want to explain them. Anyway, it's almost finished. Okay, this is the third last, this is second last box coming, and then we will see what's happening. Stop, robot stop. So this is the end of the palletizing. I stop it like this. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. Please waiting for the next video. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.